Hey everybody, my name's Sam Zaylor. I'm one of the owners of Best Brand Appliance.
My name is Josh Lupstream, and I'm one of the partners of Best Brand Appliance.
Best Brand Appliance has been around now for almost 20 years, which is crazy. It seems like yesterday we just started this.
We first started off with just being an appliance store, and then we realized very quickly we wanted to be more than that. We wanted to take it to another level, so we decided to make our stores ultra luxurious. We also started to research the suppliers very carefully. There's a lot of suppliers out there. We found out very quickly which ones we wanted to partner with. So we, as an example, offer Sub-Zero Wolf, Miele, Gaggenau, Decor, brands like that would elevate the technology that sits inside your kitchen as well as the quality, and offer the latest and greatest designs.
We're known and renowned in the industry. And when I say industry, North America, people come from all over North America and actually Europe now too to come take a look at our showrooms across the GTA.
Probably the main reason why our business is successful is because we listen to our customers, we find out their needs, we find out the products they want in their projects. When customers walk into Best Brand Appliance, they're immediately greeted by our sales staff. We ask how they want to cook. We ask what kind of lifestyle they lead. We care about their needs, which gives us the answers to properly advise on what appliances they should choose. Our staff are well trained on design as well as appliances, and that's what makes us very different than the competition. Our leading attributes for Best Brand Appliances are sales staff care.
Best Brand Appliance has a full ecosystem with our clients. Every appliance comes with a certain amount of warranty. When that warranty is up, instead of having our clients go to Google searching for service, we take care of them before warranty, during warranty, and after warranty. And what happens is they are so grateful and so appreciative of all the help that we give them. They refer all their friends and family to Best Brand Appliance, which is why we've become one of the largest distributors in all of Canada in a short amount of time.
Other services that Best Brand Appliance offers is we're not just a model number on a box. When we take an order, we have a team of people following up with the customer. We need to find out their timelines, make sure the appliances are ready to deliver once the customer needs them. As well, our delivery company is highly trained on handling the appliances. They are very careful delivering it in the house. On top of that is installation. So Best Brand Appliance has teamed up with different installers that are well trained. Best Brand Appliance doesn't just sell appliances. We make sure our service and the last touch of our company is well received by our clients. We have customers that have serveries. We have customers that have main kitchens. We have bars. We have wine rooms. So Best Brand Appliance has two divisions. One is, I would consider, trade retail, working with the trades like designers, architects, referrals, kitchen companies, custom builders. And then we have a multi-res division, which works with large builders doing condos, full neighborhoods, low-rise, high-rise. And what we've done at Best Brand is we've taken our experience with our service from the retail side of the business, and we've implemented that service to the B2B side, dealing with the builders. And it's being very well received. Builders are not used to getting the type of service and luxury experience Best Brand offers. So our builder division is growing leaps and bounds because of the way we treat our retail. We pushed it into our builder division. So Best Brand Appliance has built up a culture that is not just with the end user customer, it's also designed for custom builders and designers and architects who will work on the client's behalf. So as we know, one of the biggest investments in a home is the kitchen. And we have customers building homes that could exceed 10 to 15,000 square feet. So some of their needs and wants is not just in the kitchen, it could be in multiple rooms of the house.
We really, at the end of the day, don't really sell appliances. What we do is we help our clients increase the value of their largest investment and enjoy the quality of life during the life of that investment.
by asking the right questions to a customer and understanding their needs will allow us to give them the best service possible.
So it's a double whammy. Their house is worth more, their quality of life goes up by using the top of the line appliances. And then when they sell their house, people are now looking at what appliances are in the kitchen. Similar to designer handbags. That's what appliances have become these days. And everyone knows what brands are.
So when someone makes a large investment, they have to put their trust in our company to recommend the appliances that are going to suit their lifestyle. So it's very important for us to make sure that that customer really loves their kitchen. If they're entertainers, we want to make sure it's a kitchen that they can entertain. If they're cooks and they're chefs, we want to make sure they have the best technology available and they understand how to use the appliances. They understand how to use those features. As an example, if you're a big coffee maker and you want to make a latte every morning, you want it to feel like you've had that latte at the highest end restaurant. Well, we can provide that latte in your house every day, and we will teach you how to use those appliances so you can serve those lattes to your guests. That's a big part of the excitement of the kitchen, is that it's the most used room in the house and it's the biggest investment, and we're a part of it, and that's exciting for us.